Alright, so this is another section of the house here. This is a different entrance here to the house. And again, you can see it's a lot of land. Imagine, I mean, Kennedy grew up here. This must be from, like, I don't know, maybe the 1920s or something. You guys can Google it if you want. There goes the house. Again, I don't know how come this has not been turned into a some sort of museum for people such like myself to come check it out inside. I don't know, I'll pay $2, $5 to go in and check it out. All of that belongs to it. I mean, you can see here there is a some sort of like fence thing. So yeah, this all belongs to it. And yeah, you also got a lot of exotic birds around here too. So yeah, the house continues there, so let's check it out. Look at that, guys. Got the exotic birds. That's what I call them. We've got a cardinal here. It's hard to see because he's all the way up there. Let me see. There he goes, right there. It's really red, bright red. There's a whole bunch of them here. Let's keep going down this way, and let's go around the corner here. Let's go around the corner here and see. Got the sun going on here. I don't want the sun to cover. And that's the house right there. I mean, I don't know if I can go up there. I wish I could find neighbors. I see some neighbors over there. I would ask them. But I don't know. Yeah, you got birds going on here. Pigeons. Little ones. But yeah, it's a piece of history. John F. Kennedy's house where he grew up. A 20-room mansion here. This is the back section of it. That's the whole house there. I'm trying to catch as much as I can. See, the wall keeps going to here and then it turns. And then I see some neighbors there. But again, this is such a private residential neighborhood. I don't want to kind of like be in people's business. But the house keeps going that way. Let me see. I wonder if there's stuff. Can't see much, but that's as far as we can see here. That's the whole house there. All right, guys, want to give you a little video. Kennedy's house where he grew up, Bronx, New York.